is y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. If you guys haven't noticed already, this is day 5. Day 5 of me continuously uploading. I am planning to upload every single day in the month of December. So if you guys are sleeping on the fact that I'm uploading consistently, please go back and watch those videos because I'm doing a good job. Very well done. Thank you. Anyways, for today's video, we are going to be making a custom Grinch pillow. I actually have 2 pillows that I want to make. So one, I have this fabric. I picked this fabric up from Hobby Lobby, Grinch theme, and then I also do have red. So on one side, I'm going to have the Grinch pattern on one side of the pillow and then the red fabric on the other side. I also did pick up some polyfill from Hobby Lobby as well. So let's get straight into making these pillows. I was saying I wanted one side Grinch themed and then the other side red. So what I'm going to do to measure my first side is actually just wrap the pillow and kind of show half of the cotton that's there. So about half is like right here, which would be this line here. So I'm going to cut my fabric in this line, and I'm going to be making 2 pillows. So I'm going to take this fabric I just measured out and cut the same exact size on here. And then since I got my 2 here, I'm going to take my red fabric and do the same exact thing. Just tracing these designs here. Now that I have both of my fabrics cut, I'm actually going to taking one of the Grinch, one of the red, both of the front facing fabrics together. So like the Grinch side with the red side, putting those face down. And then I'm going to sew along the edges, leaving a small hole on one of the edges. Leaving that hole will allow us to stuff the pillow with the polyfill that we have. Okay, so we sewed all the way around. I did leave just a little gap open. So this is where I'm going to start flipping my design inside out. So I flipped it inside out, or right side out. And then before I actually sew or fill and sew, I'm going to actually turn on my heat press and kind of get some of these crinkles out. That's totally optional. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to, and you can just fill it in right away. But I want to iron these out. Okay, now that I got most of those wrinkles out and out the way, what I'm going to do then is take my polyfill and fill it in. And then once we got our stuffing in, it looks so cute. Oh my God. The lastly, what we would have to do is just sew the edges. So what I'm going to do is actually fold in the fabric and then top it off with a straight stitch sew. And y'all, here is the final results. This is how you make pillows. These are super, super cute. These are going right in my Grinch themed living room. Ooh, I'm so excited. What they're looking like. Anyways, make sure you guys drop that like, comment, subscribe. You know I'll be back for more videos. As always, stay positive. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.